What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say. So you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this. Hey, do you have cell phone chargers? Like the battery packs?
You want charger or battery?
Battery.
Or battery.
Like
model.
the battery pack.
Or power bank.
Yeah, power bank.
Yeah.อันนี้10,000 มิลลิแอมโอเคอันนี้690 บาทอันนี้20,000มิลลิแอมอันนี้ไวเลสชาร์จ1,100 บาท1,100 บาท20,000 มิลลิแอมอันนี้30,000 มิลลิแอม1,200 บาทอันนี้690อันนี้10,000 มิลลิแอม690 บาท you want 10 20 30 มิลลิแอม
Is there any way we can get it lower price?
อ๋อ600 บาทI cheap อยู่ละ
And then I need a plug in, an outlet. Plug it into.
cable
Well, not cable, but the little plug.
อ๋อ charger
Yeah.
150 อันนี้600
Okay.
750 บาท
Okay. So in this clip right here, a lady keeps staring at me. I don't know what it is, but she keeps staring at me. She can't speak English. I can't speak Thai, but she's trying to get my attention. So, I'm just trying to get a power charger. That's pretty much it right here.
good right now. I'm looking for some food.
Yeah.
I'm looking to go eat.
Eat here don't have outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you want to go hotel for massage, we can go together. I can take care of you. After I have room.
Huh?
After I have room. After I got room.
Room? What's that mean?
Hotel. We can go together.
I ain't going back to the hotel anytime soon.
Massage, shower, sex.
I gotta go eat real quick.
Together. Massage.
No, I gotta go.
Only 3,000.
I'm gonna go eat real quick. No, I'm gonna go eat real quick.
100 US.
I gotta go
For
eat.
everything.
Oh my god.
For massage, shower, and sex.
Right now I'm just hungry.
Come on. I'm sure you eat first and then we go sex, okay?
I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I come back through here.
Okay, you calm down.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm bad for you.
Huh?
I hope you enjoy your meal.
Yeah, I gotta eat, find something to eat.
Lovely.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Yeah,
Okay, you come back.
okay.
Yes, come back to me.
I think about it. I'm not gonna make a promise. I think
Okay,
about it.
okay.
So, all right, thanks.
Okay, guys, so in this one right here, literally, the lady is trying to talk to me. Earlier here, wanted to do something outside of the establishment, which was kind of shocking because I really was hungry for food. Like, I don't know what it was. I don't know because I was doing a new workout, you know, taking my new supplements, whatever it may be. But like, I was not in the mood for any of that right there. She talking about going back to my room, doing massage, shower, and you know what else. But like, she was not gonna let me go. So if you are in Bangkok, I will suggest to you guys, if you're going out here to the walking streets that are out there, it's pretty big. They're gonna be aggressive, like super aggressive. Now, what we have here is the toot toot right here. Mr. Richie Mack, Zoom to Thailand, told me to get on a toot toot. And I rode on a toot toot about 2 times, and they're pretty cool. I mean, nothing bad with it or whatnot, but I did enjoy myself while I was on there. So I thought that was cool. But going back on to what y'all want to know, it's like, hey, Luke, how do you avoid it? Just walk away from it, guys. I mean, if you're not looking to do that thing with that nighttime life stuff, just walk away. And that's what I did. And I told the lady straight up, look, you know, I'm not looking to do that, right? Like, if I'm interested, I'll let you know. But I didn't, it kind of turned me away when I wanted to go somewhere else. I didn't even walk down the rest of that street down there. I wanted to show you the rest of it, but I decided just like, hey, let's go ahead and just get away from here because I'm not interested. I'm just trying to film, but I'm really hungry. I'm starving at this point. So, hey, you know, things happen. But I will tell you this. To be in this position, to go out there and see all the things that you want to see, Bangkok does offer you that versus Pattaya. A lot more things out there because it's a larger city. So that's all I have to say about that. So guys, I hope that you enjoy the content that I've given you. And if you do, please guys, please, I need your help. I need you to go ahead and subscribe and give me thumbs up. It all helps. YouTube looks at everything that you do, especially when you give me thumbs up for my content. Now, there's gonna be more videos. We're at our second half again, guys. Our second half, I have 15 more videos that I basically gonna have to do. And Thailand is not over with. Now, they may be like, hey, where's the action at? The second half is gonna have a lot more action than what you're seeing. It's gonna have a lot more commentary too, because there's a lot of things that I did that I didn't talk about while I was on the street. So that's what I'm preparing for you guys. And oh guys, by the way, this is called Cooking with Luke and Friends. Luke and Friends, I have a cookbook. Just look right over here. There's a cookbook right here. You go here, check out the cookbook. It's great, the greatest meals that you could probably possibly think of as far as your restaurants, like your Chick-fil-A's, your McDonald's, your TGI Fridays. I break those down and I show you exactly how to make those meals at your home. So guys, again, I thank you. Don't forget to check me out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give me those likes, guys. If you want to see something else, just go ahead and comment down below. If you say, hey Luke, I like this or I don't like this, I take that feedback and I try to get you what you want, okay? All right, guys. I see you on the other side. Take care.